Today I'm going to tell you how to make the instant makhana chaat. For this, we take a tawa, add some ghee and nicely fry the makhana until it becomes crispy the way I'm showing it over here. After frying it nicely, we then take the tawa again, add some ghee and add some chili powder, add some turmeric powder to it, some dhania powder, some hing, some salt, some sugar, little bit of amchur, and then nicely mix this mixture. Now add the roasted makhana to this and nicely saute. We'll add some namkeen cornflakes to this and then add some fried groundnuts. Mix nicely. To this we also add some onions, chopped onions, some carrot, some chopped tomatoes, some green chili, some coriander leaves, some pepper and little bit of lemon juice with save on top of it. Now our instant makhana save is ready to be served.